How to reactivate your Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can reactivate your Instagram account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first, in order to actually reactivate our account, we would have to simply deactivate or try to delete our account. First of all, in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and try to simply deactivate my current account, which is Ginny_guide. As you can see in this case, what I will do is, first of all, I will try to simply deactivate this account and then tap on the yes button. As you can see, it will successfully, first of all, deactivate my account, and as you can see, we have been logged out. And in order to simply reactivate our Instagram account, we would have to simply try to log in to the Instagram account again. And for that, what I will do is, first of all, close the browser and then simply go ahead and open my Instagram app. Once you open the Instagram app, you can see we have been logged out because I deactivated my account. So I'm going to tap on OK. And then it will reopen Instagram, and first of all, let me go ahead and try to log into a new account by tapping on the add account button, and I will type in log into existing account, and I will simply switch none of the above and then switch accounts over here. Now on this particular page, what we have to do is the account which we deactivated or deleted earlier and you've been trying to regain access to it, you have to simply go about logging into that account. So in the username tab, you have to go ahead and simply enter the username which you have. You want to make sure to enter the exact username of your Instagram account which you were trying to reactivate and the account which is currently deactivated. After that, what you have to do is, after you enter username, go ahead and simply enter your password. Once you enter your password and username, you can see we will be successfully logged in automatically to the Instagram app. And this is basically how you could very easily reactivate your Instagram account. It will not ask you for any type of confirmation over here. As you can see, our account has been successfully reactivated. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.